right, folks, welcome. Today, we're going to learn about Apple MDM certificates and the benefits of integrating these certificates with Addigy. So the certificate creation process begins in the setup wizard when you're first creating your environment. But this is for folks that after they've gone through the setup wizard, right? What does that process actually look like? Well, we'll navigate into MDM settings. And here's where we see a list of our current available certificates. What I'll do is click new certificate. Let's look at this as a handshake between Apple and Addigy, right? This is your way of showing Apple that you have the credibility in managing these machines. So you'll download a plist from Addigy, bring that plist into identity.apple.com. Within the identity portal, it's going to request a file. Which file? The file that we just downloaded from Addigy. Okay. We've confirmed. Apple now provides us with the file, the actual certificate itself, the .pem. I'll take the .pem, upload the .pem directly into Addigy. So I'll go ahead and name the certificate Bravo Networks. This is just my little test company that I use, and an Apple ID that was used to create this certificate. Now, best practice is to include the Apple ID that created this certificate, as this is the only Apple ID that can renew that certificate when it comes time for our renewals, and those renewals occur annually. Right. We use these certificates to show Apple we have credibility in managing these machines, and now we're able to enroll our machines into Addigy. By taking this certificate, going into policies, I'll create a policy called Bravo Networks, as that is the company that I am managing. Empty policy, integrations and settings, select certificate. This is all going to be end user facing, so just be cognizant and aware of what you're pasting here. But this is your MDM enrollment profile, right? That's using Apple's push certificate and an MDM profile, which then deploys the Addigy agent, making it for a fully managed machine.